Hello game devs, welcome back to another GDevelop 5 tutorial. So today I will be showing you how to create a slide dust in GDevelop 5. So this tutorial was requested by someone on my previous tutorial, so as usual, you can also make a tutorial request and place it in the comment section below. So in case you don't know what a slide dust is, for those who are new in game making, I'll just show you. I use that in my game. So here we go. This is what a slide dust looks like. Here we go. This is a dust. So we'll be showing you how to create that in this tutorial. Okay, so I'll just close that. Um, so we'll be using the same project folder I used for my last tutorial on how to create a character slide in order to save time. And also about GDevelop. This is GDevelop Beta 88. The the latest version presently on beta 88, so if you haven't updated yours, I would advise you update that. And as usual, I would also advise you set this auto updates, leave this checked, auto download and install updates recommended. Okay, so close that. I'll just open the slide scene. Okay, so to those who watched my last tutorial, this is exactly where we stopped. So let's continue from here. Let's add an object. We need to add in the particles emitter. Display a large number of small particles to create visual effects. So here we go. So point kind, I'll be using the point. You can use a line depending on what you want, or you can also use a textureable. For this tutorial, I will be using the point size 3. Color, I'll get back to that. Additive rendering, no. Delete when out of particles, we want that checked. Maximum number of particles displayed. Okay, so number of particles in tank -1, flow of particles 45, minimum particles, minimum emitter force applied on particles 45, maximum 85, spray cone angle 90, radius of the emitter 3, gravity on x-axis. I'll just set that to -200. Gravity, so this is the gravity on the x-axis. So gravity on particles on y-axis 0, friction on particles 2, friction minimum lifetime 0.5, maximum 2.5, particle start size 100, end size 100, and minimum rotation. So if you're using the line points and particles kind, I would advise use the rotation because it gives it this really good look. Okay, so get back to the colors, apply. I'll just rename that slide dust. Now let's get the color for our particles, both the start color and the end color. Open up the flow editor pixel. So we want it to start with a bit of green, so just get this color, copy, cancel, open up the slide dust, start color, and then you paste that here. Okay, and we need the brown for the end color. Okay, I'll just copy this. Here we go. Copy, cancel, apply, open up the slide dust and paste that here. Control V. Okay, apply. So this starts with this for start color and it ends with this. Okay, now let's go to our events. Okay, I'll just create a new group and rename that, or name that slide dust. Add a sub condition. Okay, so let's add a condition. Down key is pressed. So I would recommend you check out the first, key pressed. I would advise check out the first tutorial before watching this. or else you won't actually understand what's going on. So test of a key is pressed, down key is pressed, add an action, animation, current animation of player, sign of first equal to value 3, which is our slide animation. Okay, add a sub condition as a condition, horizontally flipped. So our player is horizontally flipped, at an empty vent, horizontally flipped. Player is invert condition, so player is not horizontally flipped. Now for the first, player is horizontally flipped, add an action. So we needed to create an object, slide dust x position. Let's get an expression, position. Here we go, x position object player, apply, and the y position of object. Here we go, y position of player, apply, base layer. Okay, so do the same for player is not horizontally flipped, create an object, player x position, position. So x position object, object player, apply. Same for the y position, position. There we go, y position object player, apply. Okay, now preview. Here we go. Oh, sorry, something not right. Create objects, slide dust, and not player. So there we go. As you can see, our slide dust is being created. Here we go. But first of all, it's not being created at the right position, and it also not it's supposed to delete once our player is no longer sliding. So to fix that, close this, add an empty vent, add a condition, key pressed, down, invert condition. So invert condition, down key is no longer pressed or normal pressed. Add an action, flow of particles, slide dust, modification sign set to value 0. Okay, so preview. There we go. As you can see, once our player is normal sliding, slide dust is to be created. Here we go. Okay, now let's position our slide dust. Close that. Place horizontally flipped. Open this up. So X position. Our player slides, but I think slide dust is in front of our player's boot. It's supposed to be at the back. So we need to reduce the X position. Let's change that to 40 and set this to plus 90. Preview. So there we go. As you can see, it's been created a perfect position. Okay, so that's how to create a slide dust. You can also reduce the number of, that's the maximum number of particles displayed. You can reduce this and set it to the number you want at a time. Okay, so that's how it's done.